Christmas tree Kwekwe is shutting down. The ultimate Xmas Eve party at Gulez Gardens. Get ready, Kwekwe. The biggest party of the year is about to hit town, and you absolutely don't want to miss this. Gulez Gardens Presents Kwekwe Shutdown, the official Xmas Eve party happening on Wednesday, December 24, 2025. This is set to be the ultimate festive celebration, bringing together some of the biggest names in Zimbabwean music and entertainment for one epic night. Star headliners you can't miss. The lineup for the Kwekwe Shutdown is absolutely stacked with major star power. Killer T, the chairman of ZimDancehall, known for his lyrical depth and crowd-moving hits. Chillmaster, bringing his signature cool vibes and infectious energy to the stage. Bagga, one of the talented acts set to light up the Christmas Eve night. Headphone the DJ and MC crew. Keeping the energy high and the dance floor packed will be a solid crew of DJs and MCs, including some familiar names we recently celebrated. DJ Fidel the Don, the esteemed producer and DJ, ready to drop the hottest rhythms and mixes. DJ Crocx and MC Tiff, a dynamic duo guaranteed to deliver top-tier entertainment. DJ Fonyo and MC Shaddy the Mighty, rounding out the lineup to ensure non-stop music and hype throughout the night. Round pushpin event details. The Kwekwe Shutdown is happening at the popular Gulez Gardens. Date: Wednesday, December 24, 2025. Venue: Gulez Gardens. Time: doors open for the Xmas Eve party. Entry fee: ordinary, $5 before 9 p.m. VIP, $30. Revolving light. Important notice: please note the strict adherence to legal age regulations. No alcohol may be sold to persons under the age of 18. Make sure you grab your tickets early and get ready to dance your way into Christmas morning with the best in Zimbabwean music. Are you planning to attend the Kwekwe Shutdown? Would you like me to set a reminder for the event closer to the date?